See, now usually I can get the Huskies to howl on cue, so let's see if we can do it. It's going to sound funny though here. Okay, Simba. Oh! Simba, come here. Can you talk? Let's howl. Can we howl? Okay, you got to back up a little bit. There's Presto and Aspen. Let's see if I can get them to howl. Oh! Pee-wee, nah. Okay, Simba. Start it up. Ow! Gonna get all barking from Pee-wee. Everybody go! Aspen says you gotta put a little bit more feeling into it, Mom. A little bit more feeling. Then maybe we'll howl. Okay, come on. Simba! Come on. Oh!